Facing the frustrating problem of a garage door that won't open or close? This common issue may stem from a malfunctioning opener, remote control, sensors, or even a simple power outage. It's not just an inconvenience, it's a security risk for your home. If you're in the Kiama Downs area, take action now by calling 0409774111. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to restore the functionality and safety of your garage door, ensuring it operates smoothly. Call us today and get your garage door moving again.